Throughout Richmond, the city is put together by scenic views, both small and big businesses, and the people who make these businesses strive. Every day, people must find new ways to be different in order to succeed, not only in school, but in life. This was the idea behind Miss Morris's project-based learning assignment for her students. Project-based learning helps teach students important work-ready skills without being restricted inside a typical everyday classroom. Students learn how to be time efficient, they learn the importance of teamwork and communication, how to conduct an interview, and the power of compromise. Miss Morris partnered up with RBA Creates to build a profile on what Richmond is really all about. The creativity aspect was to find a unique part of Richmond, whether it be a mural on a building to a nightclub-themed exercise studio and everything in between. It's amazing the innovation you can find in Richmond if you just look hard enough.